Hi, and welcome to the ITIL 4 Monitor, Support, and Fulfil course. I'm David Cannon, one of the team of ITIL 4 authors, and I'll be leading you through this course. We will be using the official training materials provided by PeopleCert. And so before we get started, I just need to make sure that you're aware of the copyright statement and disclaimer on this slide, which basically means please do not copy these and distribute them. Having read that, let's move straight into the course. As we move through the slide deck, you'll see a number of icons being used. These are not for exam purposes, they're really just there to help with the navigation through the course. So let's take a look at what we'll be covering in this course. What we'll learn is to understand the key concepts of the Monitor, Support, and Fulfil practices. Monitor, Support, and Fulfil from here will be abbreviated as MSF. We'll be looking at the processes within the MSF practices, as well as the roles and competencies of the practices. We'll understand how information and technology enable each of these practices, as well as understanding the role of partners and suppliers. One very interesting and important part of this course is to understand how to build the capability of these practices using the ITIL capability model. And PeopleCert have given access to this model for the content related to these particular practices. We'll also explore how the ITIL guiding principles support the practices in MSF.